In this video, we will be talking about how to create a Google Cloud account without credit card. So when we click on Get Started for free, it will immediately take us to this where we put in our account information. So for example, let's put in the country that we are from and click on agree and continue. After that, it will immediately ask for our payment profile. So you can put your payment profiles over here where you can put in virtual cards, your Wise cards, or other cards that you, because there is no way to create a Google Cloud account without a card. You can also try to get card accounts from those that generate card numbers from online, but it is a little risky because they are malicious malware. So it depends on how you want to do it, but I think the best way for you to create an account is to use a virtual card or cards that don't have anything in them. So that's about it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and like for more content, and see you in the next video.